Ihlangano ye-ANC ivele emhlanganweni namalanga amane wekomiti ekulu. Ihlangano le ithi angekhe yavuma ukuthi igandelelwe ngamanye amazwe bona ilandele incwadi ekhutshwe yikhodi yezobulelesi yamazwe ngamazwe yokuthi ibopha umengameli welizwe le-Russia uVladimir Putin. Unobhala zombelele we-ANC utheni kakhuluma nembikindaba ema-ofisini wehlangano wamemezela bona umkhandlu omkhulu wehlangano le uthethe isiqunto sokuthi ilizwe lekhetheli lizirhocise ekhodo le. Unobhala zombelele uhlaba ikhodo le wathi ayikazijameli ithatha ihlangothi ekulandeleleni umthetho wamazwe ngamazwe. ISouth Africa kulindeleke bona ibamba umhlangano we-BRICS ngenyanga kaRhoboyi nonyaka la kuqalwe bona umengameli uPutin naye abe khona. Ngokutsho kwemithetho ye-ICC, iSouth Africa ikateleleke bona ibophe uPutin ngokwencwadi ekhitshwe yikhotho le.
There is a resolution to withdraw. We just have to implement that. You must understand that the domestication of the Roman statutes in South Africa means that it is the law of the Republic. The ICC law is the law of the Republic of South Africa. We have signed to that. So SWAPO is not part of the ICC. We are part. So the conference said this ICC does not serve the interest of all.
Umengameli uSiril Ramaphosa izolo uvumelane nendaba yokuhoxa kile khodo nabe kakhuluma nembikindaba ePitori eUnion Buildings nabe kanomengameli weFinland uSauli Niinisto. Ukutsho lo juguluka kilesi siqondo ngomnyaka 2017. Ngo-2017 kwabanjwa iconference kwathiwa inithunywa zombuso ziphume kule conference ngombana yona ikhodo le yabikhupha incwadi ethi akubotshwe umengameli weSudan uOmar al-Bashir.
There's been a reflection on what many people believe is an unfair treatment, and our view is that we would like this matter of unfair treatment to be properly discussed, but in the meantime the governing party has decided once again that there should be a pull-out.
Nanyana kunjalo iofisi likaMengameli lithi umengameli wenza iphoso ngokuqinisekisa igadange elithethwe yihlangano ebusako. Lithi iSouth Africa iyaraga nokuba yingxenye yekhodo le. Okuligadange lathathwa yihlangano le econference yama-55 eyabanjwa umnyaka opheleleko.
South Africa remains a signatory to the ICC in line with a resolution of the 55th National Conference of the ANC held in December 2022 to rescind an earlier decision to withdraw from the ICC.
Izazi zingangelithi indlela iANC elandelela ngayo indaba le iveza bona ayifuni ukubonakala ngathi isehlangothini lamazwe angetshingalanga. Nakusenjalo iofisi likaMengameli lithi umbuso uhlongoza ukuchugulula umthetho wemvumelwano ezidlikitliweko lokho kuzokwenza bona amazwe angahlangani nendaba zalabo abafanele babotshwe singakateleleki ukuthi zibopha abantu abo ngoba akukahlole emkhandlwini ezokuphepha wehlangano yintshaba ezibumbeneko.